The BMW M5 CS reigns as BMW's quickest and most potent M5 to date. It delivers a spine-tingling 635 brake horsepower, is almost equal to 467 kilowatts, from its twin-turbo 4.4-liter V8, enabling a blistering 0 to 62 miles per hour, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, in just 3.0 seconds, and a top speed reaching 189 miles per hour, is almost equal to 305 kilometers per hour. Unlike the plug-in hybrid G90 M5, 727 brake horsepower, 1000 Newton-meters, the CS focuses purely on internal combustion performance, delivering a visceral, unfiltered driving experience. A significant 70 kilograms weight reduction versus the M5 competition is achieved through extensive use of carbon fiber, hood, splitter, mirror caps, rear diffuser, spoiler, and lightweight ceramic brakes, bringing the curb weight down to approximately 1,825 to 1,866 kilograms. Handling and chassis dynamics. With its lighter frame and Pirelli P0 Corsa track tires, the CS feels planted and responsive. Reviewers highlight a 7mm lower ride height and stiffer springs/dampers sharpen body control. Adaptive dampers tuned specifically for the CS deliver a harmonious blend of ride comfort and chassis rigidity. The integral active steering system tightens cornering precision and improves high-speed stability. Reviewers note an ability to consistently power through corners with a firm front end and controllable mid-corner rotations, especially within the car's sweet spot. These traits earned the M5 CS recognition, including Evo's Car of the Year in 2021. Thrill and drivability. Video assessments and track POV drive clips show it behaves like a street-legal sports car. Launch control delivers earth-shattering 0 to 60 miles per hour times, 2.9 seconds via autoblog. A mix of under and oversteer ensures predictable yet playful handling on the limit. Transmission remains crisp, using the M-Steptronic 8-speed auto with rapid drive logic shifts. However, the ride can be notably firm on rough roads. Still, the advanced suspension tuning keeps it bearable even in sport modes. Exterior design and styling. The CS exterior emphasizes aggression and lightness. Signature carbon fiber elements include a vented bonnet, splitter, mirror caps, diffuser, rear spoiler, and optional carbon roof. Gold accents, seen on 20 forged wheels, front grille outline, wing vents, and M5 CS badges, create a distinct aesthetic. Yellow-tinted laser headlights, a nod to French racing tradition, offer both flair and functionality. The looks merge race car aggression with upscale presence. Interior and cabin quality. Step inside and find a track-focused, luxury cockpit. Carbon fiber bucket seats up front and rear center bucket seats turn it into a four-seater. Details like Nürburgring layout headrest embossing, illuminated M logos, Alcantara steering wheel with carbon paddles, and minimal sound insulation, for weight saving, stand out. The digital layout includes BMW's signature curved dual-screen display and refreshed iDrive, retaining both luxury and functionality. Despite the sporting reduction in insulation, comfort remains high for driver and passenger. Technology and features. The CS ships as a technology-rich flagship. Advanced MX-Drive AWD with rear drive bias and selectable drive modes. Integral active steering, adaptive dampers, and carbon ceramic brakes are standard. Unlike the upcoming 2025 G90 hybrid M5, the CS is exclusively ICE-powered, focused purely on performance. Likely includes BMW's latest driver assist, connectivity, and camera systems, as featured in recent M models. Usability and ownership. The CS blends supercar levels of performance with daily usability. Despite its focused setup, it remains livable on public roads. It replaces the full-size rear seat with individual buckets, which slightly limits passenger capacity but delivers track-worthy support. Build numbers were limited, 100 globally, and production lasted just one model year, March 2021 to January 2022. Price at launch was steep, £140, $780/$142,000, roughly £38,000 more than the M5 competition. Comparison to M5 competition and other rivals. M5 competition, 625 horsepower, heavier by 70 kg, slower 0 to 62 time, 3.3s. The CS is sharper but not fundamentally different. Mercedes-AMG E63S, Audi RS7, Porsche Panamera Turbo, all strong rivals, but the CS stands apart through its unique carbon components, limited production, and razor-edge chassis tuning. Final verdict: the consensus from video and editorial reviews. The BMW M5 CS is a hyper-focused, track-capable super saloon that enhances the already impressive M5 competition platform. It's thrilling, engaging, and luxurious, all while maintaining everyday usability. For those seeking elite performance, exclusivity, and dynamic excellence, it represents the ultimate road-going M5, albeit at a significant premium. However, some argue that the competition version already offers most of the experience, and the CS upgrades are a nice-to-have rather than essential. The video paints a detailed and passionate portrait of the M5 CS, a masterpiece of BMW M engineering that balances blistering performance, razor-sharp handling, and luxury. It's a car that demands respect, both on track and in your driveway, and serves as a fitting flagship for the era of internal combustion-powered M cars.